Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are learning about Indian President list from 1950 to 2024. Let's start. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, first President of India from 26 January 1950 to 13 May 1962. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan from 13th May 1962 to 13th May 1967. Dr. Zakir Hussain from 13th May 1967 to 3rd May 1969. Varahagiri Venkata Giri V.V. Giri from 3rd May 1969 to 20th July 1969. Muhammad Aidayatullah from 28th July 1969 to 24th August 1969. V.V. Giri from 24th August 1969 to 24th August 1974. Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad from 24th August 1974 to 11th February 1977. B.D. Jetty from 11th February 1977 to 25th July 1977. Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy from 25th July 1977 to 25th July 1982. Gyani Jail Singh from 25th July 1982 to 25th July 1987. Ramaswamy Venkataramanan from 25th July 1987 to 25th July 1992. Shankar Dayal Sharma from 25th July 1992 to 25th July 1997. Kocheril Raman Narayanan from 25th July 1997 to 25th July 2002. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam from 25th July 2002 to 25th July 2007. Pratibha Patil from 25th July 2007 to 25th July 2012. Pranab Mukherjee from 25th July 2012 to 25th July 2017. Sri Ramnath Kovind from 25th July 2017 to 21st July 2022. Draupadi Murmu from 21st July 2022. Now present President of India also. Thank you.